Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. Still on electricity, we have an example to solve. Now we have the problem on the board. They said two resistors of values 24 ohms and 36 ohms are connected in parallel. Take note of the arrangement, parallel arrangement. And the combination is connected to a 12 volt source. Calculate the current through each resistor. Now this is not a question of finding the total current. We want to find the current flowing through the 24 ohms and also through the 36 ohms. And the first thing you want to be able to do here is to draw the circuit diagram. That is one thing that would guide us to be able to solve the problem. Now let's draw the circuit. Remember, 24 ohms and 36 ohms are connected in parallel. So let's draw. Now we have this. So this is my 24 ohms connected in parallel. So parallel, this is a parallel arrangement. So this is 36 ohms. Then the two connections are connected to a 12 volt source, battery source or voltage source. So this is 12 volts. So this is our circuit arrangement. We want to find the current in each resistor. So we want to find, say this is I1 and then this is I2. So we want to find I1 and I2. Now what do we need to know to be able to solve this problem? One of the things we want to understand about circuits is that when you have parallel arrangement of resistors, for parallel arrangement, voltage across each resistor is the same. That is to say, if this is 12 volts, it means the voltage across this is 12. The voltage across this 24 ohms is also 12. So for parallel arrangement, voltage is the same for each resistor, and then the current is different. For parallel arrangement, voltage across each resistor is the same, but the current flowing through each resistor is different. Now, if you have a series arrangement, for series arrangement, current flowing through each resistor is the same, but the voltage is different. So let's solve our problem. Now, knowing that the voltage here is 12 volts, the voltage here is also 12 volts, we can solve. So let's start with the first one. So let's call it the voltage V. For the first one is going to be I1 times R24, that is our 24 ohms resistor. Now we want to get the current here, and we know that the voltage is 12 volts, so I'll simply make I1 the subject. So I have that I1 is going to be V by R24. So I have my voltage is 12 divided by 24 ohms. So my current I1 going to be this by this is 0.5 amperes. So I've gotten the current through the 24 ohms resistor. The next thing I want to find is the current through 36 ohms. We repeat the same thing, knowing that V, the voltage is still the same. So V is going to be I2 times R36 ohms. So this is what we want to do there. So I2 is going to be V by R36, so which is 12 volts by 36 ohms. So when you solve this, when you divide this, it's going to give us 0.33 amperes. So this is what we have. So this is our current flowing through each resistor. Now, assuming you have an extra question here, and that question says find the total current. That is very simple. That is additionally, because we are done solving this problem. If there's an additional question which says find the total current through this circuit, for you to get that, you simply know that the total current I is going to be I1 plus I2. This is actually Kirchhoff's law, which I'll be explaining in another video. So our I1 is 0.5 and our I2 is 0.33. So you can solve this and get your answer, which is going to be 0.83 amp. This total current, assuming it was asked. Thanks for watching. I believe this concept is clear. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel and then watch my videos to get more inspiring content on physics and mathematics. Thanks for watching.